everyone, welcome to the Schweitzer Family Vlog channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't been here before, please go ahead and hit the bell, subscribe so that you know when there's a new episode, and you can see all the great stuff that we have going on our channel. All right, so we're gonna kind of jump right into it. I am going to be reorganizing our massive closet today. Well, it's not massive, but it has a massive amount of stuff in it. Let's just say that. So I'm gonna be organizing the closet today. The majority of the stuff, honestly, in the closet right now is pretty much Derek's clothes. I would say maybe it's like 50-50. Majority of my clothes I have folded up and put in the dresser that's in our bedroom. So all the hanging stuff in here for me is mostly dresses, some t-shirts, pants, stuff like that. So we're going to tackle that, maybe donate some things, and then put everything in monochromatic order. I like everything to be by type of clothing and then in color order as much as possible. I lean more towards the color side if that's possible, to put it in order and style of clothing as well. But that's kind of like what I like to do because I like the way that it looks. Aesthetically, it's my favorite way the closet can look clean and organized, and like it has a purpose and somebody put thought into it. So yeah, Phoenix's closet actually right now is always in color order whenever I put his clothes away. Every once in a while I'll go back in and put all of his shirt. He has only shirts hanging up in his closet, and I will put all of his shirts in monochromatic order. So it actually makes it easier for him because he knows his shirts by the colors that they are. So it just makes it really easy for him to be able to find his clothes when he's getting ready for school. That said, I'm gonna go through stuff, maybe donate some stuff from my side of the closet. I won't donate any of Derek's stuff, and then hopefully clean up some of the other clutter that is in our closet as well. So I'll take you guys along with me. Let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything out from my side and put it on the bed, and then go through it, and then probably quickly put it back. The next thing I'm probably gonna do is, as you can see up there's like a bunch of stuff like on top of this shelf right here, and I'm gonna try to pull some of that down. We also have towels in here as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and get through to that. So I have this little shelving system right here that actually is really functional, so I'm gonna leave it the way that it is. This is all of our towels. I'm gonna go through and refold all of those towels, all of random various shoes and hats and things. Derek's clothes behind me. This is my area here because I'm shorter, so it makes more sense. And then I also have like a shoe rack. You guys can see that? Yeah. A shoe rack right here that I put like shoes that I don't wear very often on this shelf. And yeah, and just like random, like this right here, super random. I don't know like what it's for, but it's just like literally become clutter. So lots to do. So I'm gonna get going. All right, here's a pile of clothes. Bottom and top are empty, so doing good so far. It's like very long. No. Yeah, I mean, I think this will be cute for the summer. I don't know how I feel about the horizontal stripe situation, but I think this will actually be really cute in the summer. So we will keep it. Okay, another shirt. Keep or don't keep. Okay. This is actually a little bit too big now, but I'm so excited that I can fit back into it. This is like church dress, lunch with a girl's dress. You know, like that. I love it. So cute. Glad I can get back into it. Say hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Oh my goodness. So I recruited Derek to help.
Hey.
That's he's helping get the stuff off the tall shelves for me. Does anybody else have like 25 million Apple boxes that are for no reason that you just store random stuff in? We are those people. I think I have ones in my nightstand too, actually. I think we should just I'll make room on my shoe shelf for your shoes up there. Yeah. Do you need those? In case you ever need to wait another table, babe, or flip another burger. They weren't expensive or weren't inexpensive, so.
This one is clutch.
You said they're super heavy, aren't they? Oh, they definitely have some weight.
Why the caps are the way they are.
Okay. Well, thank you for helping them. Okay. Same day. I just have changed so much that I decided to put on a comfy shirt. It's a Derek shirt, actually. Okay, so now we have a clear closet here. Saw Derek helping me with all the stuff up here. We have the shoes on the floor. Right now, I'm going to tackle putting everything over here organized. And yeah. You know what's actually so funny? Derek has so many thermals, and the man sweats so much, so I don't know why he has all these thermals. I think it's from being in New York. But yeah, it's just hilarious. He has more long sleeve shirts than I do, and I'm freezing all the time. So I finished Derek's side. We have long sleeve shirts here. In order, we have button-ups. We have long sleeve shirts. We have work shirts all right here in this white color, one black one. And then over here, we have just like comfortable shirts, casual shirts just to wear. And then I'm gonna move these jackets up there, up to here, and the pants, and we'll be done. All right, another wardrobe change. I switched my shirt again because I was melting and that other shirt, so I just figured I would change my shirt. So, all done, closet's done, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. All right, so if you guys remember from the beginning of this video, we had crazy towel situation So now that is all organized. I basically just pulled it down, refolded it, put it back up there because before it was chaos. And then there's also a few towels right here that I just folded neatly, cleared out everything up here. We did put some of the stuff back, but now it's neat. It doesn't look like crazy with hats and shoes and all of that. I showed you Derek's area before. I didn't get rid of anything, but I just organized it for him. The biggest thing that I did was he has a lot of work shirts, and so I tried to put those in the middle because of how awkward our closet is. You can see like it's super kind of small in here. So it just makes it easier for him when he's coming home from work that he can just reach and grab, or not coming home from work, getting ready for work, he can just reach and grab a shirt. So that's there. Stuff that he doesn't wear that often over here, and then everything else like casual and pants and all that stuff is over here. So I think that'll make it a little bit easier for him and for me when I'm putting away clothes. All right, so shoes, I moved the hats down here. I have this storage rack that you guys saw earlier, and I just kind of reorganized my shoes. I put his shoes down here on the floor. We actually tried to put a second rack here, but because of my clothes, you can't really do it. So we're working with what we have. Dresses here, everything. I actually moved some of my California winter clothes up here, which is like a couple of long sleeves, some turtlenecks, like basic stuff, my jean jacket, and then all of the dresses that I decided to keep. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I put out content on Mondays and Wednesdays. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys again on our channel. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are, or maybe any other tips about organization that you wanted to share with me or wanted to share with anybody else. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye.